My name is Joan. I'm CFO at INBRAIN Neuroelectronics. It's a medical device company, a startup located in Barcelona. We are not yet commercial, and our budget are built up with engineering mindset. Therefore, we need a lot of granularity. And having the possibility to add the different levels in the budget was definitely one of the main contributions to our traceability and the granularity control in the different cost centers, projects. Finance, especially in the startups and the cash control, it's our pain, right? So, and not only the track record in the past, even to forecast and to envision different scenarios. It's especially complicated in a company that we are overload of engineers, which probably the finance, it's something that they need to digest because they are engineers. And to agree a same platform to share the financial information was not easy, but in the end they accepted as a unique tool to work on the financial data of the company and be part of the process. The commercial team had a very good approach, very supportive, very close to the customer, which for us is quite important. Just getting the connection with the same people, same team, and being supportive. That was, among others, one of the main triggers to make the final decision to go with Abacum. Once you sort it out with the support of the Abacum team and you have different spaces, just to project the cash runway of the company, it's pretty easy. And different visions in the graphics, the tables, the scorecards, it's needed, the setup process. For me, the main value comes from the team that was very supportive, and they tried to understand our specific situation. Otherwise, it's quite complicated to populate number without having the mindset and the time to understand the business of the company. The most important thing is that Abacum, it was the solution to, in a central, digitalized and controlled environment, to exchange information, inputs in a unique platform, rather than sharing these Excel files in different locations, which makes in the end create confusion in the company, because with information shared that make in different versions could make a lot of noise. And we agreed to share in this tool all the information that is very convenient for the company, again, for make projections and make better decisions. We want to use Abacum in the process of our finance statements projected in the coming years, to show to potential investors to decide in the end invest and put their investment and resources in INBRAIN, and allows us to continue growing and bringing therapy solutions for patients in the future. I'm super happy that you are providing services to the startups, but especially if the startups are within this biotech environment. For me, it's amazing, because in the end, companies that has the mission to provide medical solutions, I think is a good path, and yeah. So.